past 3 years, during the COVID, and after that, me and a lot of my colleagues in India, in different parts of the world, we tried to help a lot of patients with the homeopathy during the COVID pneumonia. Many of you might know that, maybe your family members, maybe your relatives. Even post-COVID, we started helping a lot of patients. And I realized that during the early part of COVID, I realized that we have to work a lot on our acute homeopathic materia medica repertory and organon skills. We all know how to treat chronic cases, but acutes was something which was a little difficult for us to treat. And that's where I took an opportunity to work a lot on myself. We tried to go through different source books, classical homeopathy books, read it again and again and again. I tried to help as many patients or colleagues and friends as much as I could. I started having a lot of courses for for this, and we collated and collected a lot of work of COVID, post-COVID cases in acutes, how we can help with homeopathy. So with that, we tried to collect a special book, and here it is for the first time. To the closest people that I have right now are all of you. That is all of you who are part of us for the last 3-4 years studying with me. We are now keeping this open book, which we have worked on. This is homeopathic strategies and maps for acute conditions. This is the book. It's a big book, huh? It's for all of you. So I don't know how many pages it is. Something like roughly 500 pages book with different maps, how to treat different cases of fever, cold, coryza, colics, renal colics, abdominal colics, throat issues, diarrhea, constipation, acute problems, post-viral illnesses, pneumonias, so that whenever now you treat any acute case, you should be confident enough to treat them. There are probably more than 100 cases solved, not just by me, but all my colleagues put together. I have invited cases from all my colleagues, including Dr. Gajanan, Dr. Samir Upadhyay, and so many different colleagues, all colleagues of mine also putting their cases. So it's a very exciting thing. We have been wanting, I thought that I will be able to publish this book within a year, but it took 3 years. And a lot of people helped me. Dr. Utsav, Dr. Jaya, Dr. Shrushti, Dr. Shivani, Dr. Megha, Dr. Vidita is here, our editor, Dr. Arpana, and so many people. I may forget people's names. I'm not very good at naming people. So this is the book now. It will be open to all of you, but it will be first open to all people of the course who are studying with me, because I want you to read it, apply it. That's the whole idea. So this is what it is. I hope that you can write to me, gaurang@gmail.com, and we will send you the books. Brazilian books for my friends in Brazil. This book, I'm going to bring it for the Curitiba seminar. So you will get it when I come there. For other people, you will probably have to write to us in different parts of India, the US, Europe. You'll have to write to us, and we'll find a way to send it. It's a very interesting book. I'm just wondering if I have a copy here outside, and if I can open the book here. I have a, let's say, a kind of a, not the original book, but one draft of the book. I don't know if it's the right book, but I'll take a punt. Yeah. So you can see here, a lot of people, a lot of things are there. We are talking about how to do case taking in acutes, how to treat throat infection, cough, fever, otitis media, ear infection, headache, colics, diarrhea, potencies, how to do follow-up in acutes, different maps, everything. We have created different maps for everything. Huh? Different tongues, how to look at tongues. You can see map tongue, taraxacum, glossy tongue, pyrogen. A lot of these maps are made by, especially by Dr. Jaya and Dr. Shrishti. So It's very exciting, this actually. I felt such kind of literature was not there in homeopathy, and I wanted to create it for all of us actually. Maps like this, left-sided coryza, hmm, right-sided coryza, alternating synapse nigra, itching of eyelid, ambrosia, itching of uh, roof of palate, vyathia, itching of throat, cistus canadensis. Just learning from the map. So it's something that I wanted to do for a long time. And that whenever I try to do something, I do it with all my heart and with all my love. This is what, there will always be a lot of people who are more intelligent, more knowledgeable than me, and there'll be many people who will do a lot of things. But what I try to do is, I try to do, once I get an opportunity, I try to do things with a lot of my heart. And that's why the product is generally a lot of labor of love, that you will feel it when you see it. That's the idea. I think that's the way. Love is the remedy. That's what I learned in my life. Almost. So this is very exciting. I hope that you take advantage of this and kind of make the best of it and read it and apply it and all that kind of thing. Yes, you have anyone who wants to buy this book has to email me. Has to email me. Yeah.